Carl, go get your machine gun. Mindy doesn't want to go in. She doesn't want to go swimming. Wave. What are you doing, boy? Huh? Yeah? Should we send this video to Caitlin?
Yes.
Say hi, Caitlin.
Hi.
Say hi, Aunt Wendy.
Hi, Wendy.
Hi, Ken.
Hi, Ken. Hi, Wendy. Hi, Caitlin. Hi, Ken. Hi, Daddy. Hi,
Say, Caitlin, you gotta come swimming.
hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Tell Caitlin she has to come swimming.
Hi, Wendy. Hi, Caitlin. Come through. Hi, Wendy.
What?
Hi, Wendy.
Say, Caitlin, you gotta come down and teach me how to talk.
I just said that.
What?
Caitlin knows how to talk.
What's that?
I said that. Caitlin goes in a big party.
Yeah, Caitlin goes on a big pot. Maybe Caitlin teach you how to go potty. What?
The fish food.
What?
The fish food.
What is it? What do you see?
Hey, take pictures of grapefruits.
Now. Who are you supposed to be?
See that?
Towelhead?
See that?
What?
Take a picture of this.
Oh, the free fruit, or the grapefruits. Okay. Heidi, get your towel head out of the way. Little geek. Hey, boy.
I'm getting ready to bite. Taking pictures of the grapefruit.
Oh, we did all the grapefruits. We squeezed them all. What are you doing? Playing pipes?
I'm getting ready to bite.
Yeah. Okay. All right, boy. Up today. Look at this mess. There's the grapefruit tree.
Taking pictures of those things.
Yeah? Should we send a copy of this to Aunt Debbie too?
Yes.
Say hi, Aunt Debbie.
Hi, Debbie.
Hey, Carl. Okay, little moron, put the towel down so Carl can say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Aunt Debbie.
Hi, Debbie.
And hi, Scott.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Tara.
Hi, Debbie.
Hi, Debbie.
Hi, Dad.
What about Tara?
Hi, Dad.
Tara.
Dad.
And Frank?
Feet.
Fink? Frank is Fink.
Fink?
Yeah, Fink.
Hi, Star. Hi, Star.
Star? We're not sending it to Star. Where's your brain today, Heidi? Did you leave it in bed?
I know. What? This?
What? What's that?
That finger.
What is that?
My hat.
Yeah?
My hat.
Should we videotape the house?
Let's get it.
What?
Let's get it.
You want to see it? We'll see it in a little while, okay?
Let's get it.
Now we're going to take a walk. Come on.
See it.
We're going to take a walk.
Look.
Let's go in the house. No, this way. What? You want a cookie? We're going to have lunch. No, we're going to have lunch.
I want to take a walk off.
Well, here we are in the Florida room. I taped this once before and had to erase it because the house was a mess. Here's Carl playing his shovel again. Oh no, it's Belle. Hello. This is Belle's room with the toys. Are you happy about your new room, boy?
No.
Oh no, it's Mama. Say hi to Wendy.
I had a terrible experience.
Hi!
Calm
Calm down.
Are you saying hi to him?
Wendy.
Join the nut house.
We're gonna send a copy to Bull too. So.
Okay.
I had to clean up the house. I did this once before and had to redo this part because the house was a mess.
Oh my God.
And we have to cover up the furniture. Ow. Back up here so I don't break my neck. Belle's beating the children with a shovel.
They better wash their feet.
Okay, in here. Yeah, everybody wants to see the house. This used to be Val's room. It's now Heidi and Carl's room. And here is the bathroom with the potty chair, which Carl never uses. Ew, Val must have been in here. Here's mine and Christy's room. And there's my mush woman. And there's Scott. Don't have any of Tara yet because she doesn't write. Here's the kitchen. Bag of grapefruits. And we have the dining room. Living room.
Do not film.
I'm not filming you, don't worry. And there's Mind. We can't film the master bedroom because my mom's in there taking a shower. What? No cookies, we're gonna have lunch. We're gonna have lunch. Nope. You got enough sugar today. And here is the laundry computer room. And Pop-Up just put up shelves for all the beach towels. Pumpkin. And here's to the front door. Here's the garage. Looks like we have kids here. Ouch. Well, almost broke my neck on a roller skate. Almost broke my neck on a roller skate. Well, we're going to fix the iris. I had it up a little high inside. There we go. What, Carl? Say hi. What? Let's take a walk. This is the side of the house. Yeah, I'm stepping on sprinkler heads. I don't feel too good. Let's go over here. Whew, the balloon. Let's take a film of the bird of paradise. Look at these palm trees. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Here we are. Ignore the child. Look at them. Here's these palm trees. What, boy? What? Here's my Mind. She has to go everywhere. Right, Mind? Don't run. Well, there's our house. There's the yellow or white grapefruit tree. Where you going? Come over here. Where do you think you're going? My hand is going numb inside the strap. Hey, come on, let's go have lunch. What? Don't you want to have lunch so we can go feed the duckies?
Right.
What? You want to ride your bike? Okay, let's go ride the bike. Hey, get on. There he goes. Come on. He books.
Where my shorts are.
What? What? Come on, we're gonna go have lunch. Want lunch?
Yes.
What is it? Yeah, you can put those on your fingers? You can do it after lunch, okay? Let's have lunch first. Put him down. He had those, yeah, he looked like he had monster fingers. He looked like Edward Scissorhands with those things on. Yeah.
Thumb. Hey, one of these will fit my thummy.
Your fummy? What's a fummy?
Of this
That's a thumb.
thumb.
There you go. Knew you could do it.
What does attaboy mean?
I didn't say attaboy, did I?
No.
Alright, don't worry about it. Okay, I'm gonna have lunch. You want lunch?
Yeah,
Okay, come on. Should we make french fries?
I want to eat with these on.
No, you're not gonna eat with those on.
Yes. I want to eat with these on.
Heidi,
I'm gonna say
I don't think so.
bye. I'm going to say bye. I'm going to say bye.
We'll take those off. Come on. Come out here and take them off. You can put them on later.
You can settle up now, so you won't have to be worried about money during the actual ceremony. $10 for the license and $5
that
for the ring.
means nothing
And,
is
there's no real
too
charge for the ceremony.
What?
The chain.
Although
What chain?
most people do like to offer a little gratuity.
This one's hard. Can't do it. Could you?
What is it? Let's see.
Two.
Oh, you're making a pink chain, not a gold one. That's all right.
Give me gold.
You gonna say hello?
Hello. Hello. When you ask, how was the parade? It was good. It was dumb.
Was it dumb? Well, why don't you tell everybody how the concert was last night?
Mama,
Well, tell Aunt Debbie and everybody and Wendy what you did last night.
what?
Tell everybody what you did last night.
Who is that?
Huh?
Who is that?
Who was what?
Good.
I'm sending this movie to Aunt Wendy and Aunt Debbie. Why don't you tell them how the concert was?
The Beach Boys.
Yeah.
It was good.
What songs did they sing?
The Kokomo.
Surfer Girl?
California Girl. I said Kokomo.
They sing Fun, Fun, Fun?
Yeah.
What?
Get off. Jen, get him off. Get off. Dummy.
He's hanging. Whoop. Oh, you gonna cry in the camera again? We can't see it.
What?
Let's see.
I didn't do good.
Sure. That's neat.
Like a week off. This is blood.
Blood?
What?
Mm.
Blood. No.
What? What do you got, Carl? Hey. Hey, Beast. What is it?